Second design rule. Go on my account to watch all the rules. First, Parkinson law. Parkinson's law states that the amount of time you give a task to take is equivalent to the amount of time that task will take. In other words, the work fills up the time allotted for it. For example, if you have a week to finish an article, the article will take all week to finish. Basically, the more time you have available to complete the task, the more time you will spend doing it. So, the takeaways from the first Parkinson's law. First, limit the time it takes to complete a task to what users expect it will take. Second, a large group may contain only a few meaningful contributors to the desired outcome. Third, features such as autofill to save the user time when providing critical information within forms. This allows for quick completion of purchases, bookings, and other such functions while preventing task inflation.